Hello, the purpose of this video is to go over homework 2 and to show you how to create a pie chart. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to open up the data set that we created. This data set has sex or gender, age, ethnicity, the rating for the field placement, and then the rating for the field placement instructor and the comments. And so the first thing I do is I go to the top to analyze, go to descriptive statistics, and then go to frequencies. Since we want sex or gender, we want a pie chart of that, you click on the variable and bring it over to this right side. And so this is where it was. I highlight sex or gender, click on the arrow, it comes over to the variable list here. This is the variable that I'd like to do a pie chart on. And then I go to charts and I just select pie chart, and you can pick percentages or frequencies. I like percentages. Click continue, OK. And then up pops your chart. And then here's the frequencies. So we could see that there were 6 males, 14 females, 20 people total, and 30% of the participants were male and 70% were female. So then what you do is you can, because you need to put this in your homework, right? So if you right click on this chart, you can copy it, and then you need to go to a Word document and then just right click and click paste. And you can see that I've already done it here, but I also added something. So I want you to insert a text box, and then you can see my cursor has changed a little bit. And so if you click and drag, it creates a text box, and then that's where I can type in the percentage, and then you put in parentheses n equals 14. So, and you can see the red is female, and so 70% of the participants who were in this study were female, and so that meant that there's actually 14 of them. And then I just changed this font to be white so you can see it. So that's how I created a text box. But this is your completed pie chart with percentages, the and then the appropriate labels. Keep in mind that that text box doesn't move, and so if you move the picture, you have to move the text boxes as well.